Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today we're making turkey necks with black eyed peas, y'all. Yes, I purchased these turkey necks from Walmart. They came in a pack of like 12 and I split it in half. So now we're just going to add our seasonings. Y'all know turkey necks go good with some black pepper, baby. Don't forget to add your red pepper seeds. I mean, if you don't like it spicy, leave it out. Take it out. Lemon pepper, y'all, and especially some garlic. I go heavy on my garlic. I know I'm not the only one that take the caps off my seasoning, but that's okay. Cut up your onion, drop it in there. Now this is new to me. I never tried it, but it was very delicious. I used 2 of these beef broth bouillon cubes, and I tossed it in there because I normally watch my mama use bacon grease, but I don't have no bacon grease, baby, so we working with what we got. And of course you want to submerge your meat under the water, y'all. So I did use a bottle and a half, depending on the amount of meat. Don't forget your celery. Like, it's a necessity in some turkey necks, okay? Look at that deliciousness. Waiting to cook up. So we're going to let it cook for 2.5 hours, maybe 3. We're going to pick our peas. Now, I don't know. Some people don't pick their peas. They don't rinse their peas. But for me, I was always taught that you pick your peas. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to go through and I'm going to make sure that all of the peas are intact. Y'all, these look like little eyeballs to me, but okay. And if I find one that's kind of broken in half, I'm going to pick it out. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, I found one. This is it. And so let me show you what it looks like. So I never question my mom. We're going to pick the peas. The ones that's not whole, we're going to pick them out. We never really have a bunch of them, but we definitely pick them out. Okay? Do not question mother. Understand. You want to make it to see the meal and eat it, okay? So now this is what it's looking like. The meat has been in here for 3 hours, y'all. It's looking good, but you always want to test your meat for tenderness. Test it. So I know it's not as tender as I need it to be, which is perfect for me because I want to add my peas. So I'm going to put my peas in and I'm going to leave it on for additional 2 hours. I do go back and check my food periodically to make sure that everything is cooking accordingly. And yeah, that's where we at right now, y'all. I almost forgot to cook my husband some okra, y'all. He wasn't really going with it, but I typically put the okra into the beans. And yeah, he reminded me that it wasn't in there. And it worked out for me because I don't eat okra. But you know, I'll cook it and pick it out. So he got what he wanted. Of course, you know, with pinto beans, black eyed peas, etc., you're going to have you some okra and some onions if you from the South. So now we just going to plate the meal up, y'all. So I did chop up that onion, and these beans are looking delicious, y'all. Like, what? Oh my God, I did eat already. And y'all know I like to pick on my meat and eat on everything that I'm cooking, right? So you know, if you see that pot has less of something, that's because I ate it. Yeah, that's what we do over here. And yeah, so we're plating it up. I'm just trying to make it, you know, presentable to him and, you know, for me and you guys. And it's looking real good right now, honey. The juiciness is present. The flavor is present. The beef bouillon cubes did make a difference, y'all. Look at this. So delicious. And the cornbread came from Walmart. I always tell y'all about their sweet cornbread. If you haven't, check it out because it's well worth it. And you don't have to do as much as you would if you made homemade cornbread. And yes, the kitchen is closed.